Sometimes I randomly remember Bagga, a madman who roamed the streets of Crossroad, Jamaica. Nobody knows where Bagga came from. He got the name because he was wrapped in many, many layers of old sheets and cloth. He spent all his days and nights begging and roaming, until one day, Bagga catch a fire. As soon as he burst into flames, he started to frantically peel off the layers and layers of old cloth that wrapped his frail body. The more cloth he removed, the more money fell. People watched in astonishment. There was a lot of money, even paper money, wrapped up in his cloth for many years because all he did was beg and not spend. Nobody knows what happened to Bagga after that day. We were only left with the saying, Bagga catch a fire nearly burned down Crossroad. If you, or anyone you know, have any information about what happened to Bagga after that faithful day, feel free to use the comments section or DMs.